Good morning, children. This is the part 4 of the lesson number 1, Tom whitewashes. Now in this section we are going to discuss about the questions of the book exercises and along with some extra questions and about the author. So let's begin. First question number A, answer these questions. So these are not very big questions. So you need to answer them in about 3 to 5 lines. Okay. So first one, describe Tom's feelings on a Saturday morning. So how Tom was feeling on Saturday morning after knowing that he has to whitewash the fence. Then second one, you have to write that only. Second one, do you think Tom envied Jim? Envied means being jealous. So do you think Tom was jealous to Jim? And if he was, then why? So, because Jim was going to fetch the water and he won't return before 1 hour. So, he would get a chance to meet the other children, talk with them, fight with them and play with them too on the town pump. So, he was envying Jim at the moment and wanted Jim to paint the fence in his place so that he can enjoy. So at that moment only, Jim's work, which he earlier did not like to do, was more nicer than painting the fence alone. So there would be the answer yes. Okay, understood? Why did Jim refuse to do Tom's work for him? Why do you think Jim refused? Jim didn't want Tom. Jim said no to Tom. No, I cannot do your work. You need to paint the fence and I am going to fetch the water. So that answer would be what? Yes, because he was warned by Aunt Polly previously only. And what happened? He would, what Jim said, that I am warned by Aunt Polly and he was afraid that he will get a thrashing, beating from Aunt Polly. So that will be there. Okay. How did Tom make his job look attractive to Ben? Now, how did Tom make his job look attractive to Ben? How Tom made Ben to do his work? Yes, no? What he did? See, he told that this is only a very talented boy can do the work. So, you go through the lesson once more and write the answer. Then, what did Tom say when Ben asked him if he could whitewash the fence? So earlier, what he said? He refused that Aunt Polly is very particular about this fence. And then what he said? Yes, in exchange of something, he would give Ben a chance. Okay. Then, 6th number question. What did Tom get in exchange for allowing the Ben to do his work? So what Ben gave Tom? Tom said no, he has to pay. So what Ben gave him? That you have to write. Then what were the treasures that Tom had acquired for himself by the end of the day? This is the question number 7. So you have to write what he has acquired from this side. You can see all it is written. All that is treasure you need to write. Okay. Then how did Tom manage to whitewash the fence in one day? So Tom's trick worked. So what was his trick? Then you have to write. Okay, so he managed, come to this page, that he idled while the other boys painted the fence 3 times over. If he had not run out of whitewash, he would have. So that means he made the other boys do his work in his place. That is how he managed. He made his work look very attractive and unachievable for a normal boy. So all the other boys paid him for doing the work and his work was done. So that is how you need to write. Okay. You need to use your own sentence. Don't be afraid to make your own answers. Then come to question number B. Life to him seemed hollow and existence but a burden. See from where the line has been taken. So the line has been taken from here. Page number 8. Okay, so now you found the line. Then what you will do? You have to see the question. Who find a life hollow? So Tom, naturally. What is the task that has been given to him? You know the task. What was the punishment given to Tom Sawyer? You have to write that one. Why had he been given this task? Why is he so sorrowful? Why he was so sad? Sorrowful means becoming very sad. So you have to write that. Second number question. Moments later, he was flying down the street with his pail. Now who was carrying a pail? Here again, this one. See here, Jim, the little boy who worked for Aunt Polly, came skipping out with his pail. So this paragraph only. So he, see. But his interest did not last longer as Aunt Polly came to check on Tom, and then from here the line has been taken. He was, see, this is the line. So you found the line. Again you need to answer the question. Who was flying down the street? You know Jim was flying. Then why was he flying away? Because Aunt Polly came out to check on him. Why did he want to help the person? Same paragraph you will find the answer. How did Tom influence the person in helping him? Same where you will find. Okay. Same page. Then Tom paid no attention whatsoever to him. He surveyed his last touch with the eye of an artist, and then he gave his brush another gentle sweep and surveyed the result as before. Who is him here? So again the next para you will see. Okay, here. This page. Here he surveyed his last touch with an eye of an artist, and then he gave his last brush another gentle sweep. As before, Ben came up to the Tom. So you know who is him here. So him is Ben. Where is this person going? What does he ask Tom? So same paragraph on same page you will answer. Okay. So then see these expressions and then we will discuss this one. Now that we have discussed the first two questions, let's see the third one. Question number C. Find out the meanings of the expressions. Rolling in wealth, means to have a lot of wealth. Then eye of an artist, a particular way of seeing something. Pleased as a punch means very, very pleased. Worldly wealth means material things like gold, silver, property, etc. A hopeless moment, a moment where there is no hope. Hopeless means moment where is less hope or no hope. Delicious expedition means an interesting trip. Flying down the streets means moving or running away quickly down the street.